about to get hit here with the extreme. It's only 9:30 in the morning. We've been getting this for like the last couple of weeks, I guess. Usually in the afternoon. It's just rolling around and around. We got heavy rain about to hit us. It's all right. We're trying to get out. Go. My daughter wants to go for a walking tour and do a video of her sampling the takoyaki down there at that place. And we haven't been able to really get out of the house for too long. It just starts raining too hard. Here it comes. Once you feel one raindrop, watch out. It's coming. Here it comes. When it starts quick and it dumps it fast. Monsoon time, monsoon season. All right, honey. The monsoon season is upon us.
Monsoon?
Yes, I was saying once one raindrop falls, boom, it's a down deluge. You know, it hits fast and it hits hard. But Myrna just got back from the store, and she was just beat the rain. So, yeah. All right, folks. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so far, it's not extreme yet. So it might be a fast one. It might move pretty fast. So I thought I'd take a little journey walking up to our house, give a tour of what we get here, how much it costs, and what basically our budget, which isn't locked in stone. We have our budget, but we also have times when we go off budget, spend money, and do things that are not part of the budget. But you know, this is right down here is our water thing, which we had a leaky problem with that for a while. There's little Adriana playing in the yard. Good morning, Adriana.
Good morning.
How are you today? How are you feeling?
Good.
Did you get a good night's sleep?
Yeah.
Ah, good.
Good, because it's windy.
It was raining a little while ago.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd come out here while it's not raining and get a little video of our house. And then I'm going to do a budget, show what we pay, how much we pay to stay here and live here.
Yeah.
And how much it costs to raise. Oh, there's still some left. But pretty soon.
I will black that.
Huh?
I will black that.
You will. So this is our front entrance. The big iron gate. I always dreamed of having an iron gate in my house. I had to move to Southeast Asia to get it. Couldn't afford this in the US. There's no way. This is only a small I guess what you call a townhouse. 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom downstairs, kitchen, living room, bathroom. Well, it's, good for us 4. 4 people live here. This is my little garden area I like to sit in when it's not raining. And I will continue this inside.
Para pag pumunta ka dun, tas mahanap ko. Huwag mo hanapin. Susunod. Punta ka dun eh. Ang laki naman, kuwan.
This is our upstairs, 2 bedroom. Not extremely large or anything. Where is your light switch, Ajana? Oh. This is little Ajana's room she shares with her ate Linlin. My niece, Linlin, stays with us. They are small, Filipino size, basically. So the bunk bed, desk for schoolwork. And this is Mommy's and Daddy's room.
Mommy's daddy's room.
So we keep all of our clothes.
This one's my gloves.
Ajana has what, 3 top drawers?
Yeah, and 1. 4.
And 1 big drawer.
This is my short and panties. This is if I'm going out. My dress.
Nicer clothes. Nicer.
And this is my old t-shirt.
Just for wearing around.
Yeah, and this is like, my everything.
All your other
T-shirt,
clothes.
short, yeah.
So we have 1 dresser for everybody. My drawer is the 3rd one down.
Mommy's here.
And Mommy's in the bottom.
I have to find Mommy's.
There's our piggy bank. Made it all the way from Idaho.
I have to find Mommy's glass, so I have 200.
Oh, that's right, huh? She offered a reward.
Yeah.
So this is the 2nd bedroom. Now these are just small bedrooms. Like I said, there's no master bedroom or nothing. And I'll get into the details of what we pay for this place. We have a small closet. We have a small closet that Myrna utilizes for tons of stuff that she never wears. Whoop! And I just tore it apart, so that's the upstairs. And I'll move on. Where does she go? Oh. Ajana's fast and sneaky. She's right behind me already. Here's the view out of our window, which is the garden. I don't know if I can get that on here. Yeah, pretty nice. Not bad for the price we pay. And I'll detail that for you and the budget, how much we pay for the gas, the water, power, and all the other assorted bills. Good luck, Ajana.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope you win. I hope you find it. Now down at the bottom, this is our kitchen / dining room, which is basically not just a dining room. It's used for all kinds of activities in our household. Refrigerator, gas stove. Go in here, this is our, in the Philippines they call it CR. This is our bathroom. CR stands for comfort room. There's me in the window. So it's small, but it's a running water shower, which is, you know, an upgrade from a lot of different places you can stay here for a little bit more. This is what they call the dirty kitchen. Hi, Lynn.
Hi.
Lynn's in here doing dishes. She's either working hard or studying hard all the time. This is the dirty kitchen, they call it. So that's where they do the chopping, prep work for any kind of stuff that we're going to eat, and our coffee spot. Now we're back to the living room. That is the full tour of this little 2-bedroom, 1-bath townhouse. One of the best benefits we have here, in my opinion, Myrna's opinion, everybody, is the front yard we have, which a lot of these houses are bigger houses, but the lot space is small, so they don't have a big yard. We have a big yard here. Okay, so we will continue this in a minute. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching.
Please
like, subscribe
and click the notification bell
for our future videos. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Till next time. Exciting. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.